Welcome to Santosh English Learning Channel. Dear students, in this video I am uploading the very important and common elements of a part of speech. In a language, you can find some parts because these parts are helpful in making a sentence. Unless you learn the part of speech, you can frame a sentence in a correct and effective manner. Because grammar helps us in making or framing a sentence in a correct order or correct manner. Because grammar is a set of rules that helps a learner how to write and speak a language in a correct and effective manner. So, in English, there are 10 parts of a speech: noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, determiners, demonstrative, your preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are called part of speech. And article is one of the important parts which is very essential to learn. If you learn article, it will be easy or helpful in writing or speaking a sentence. Before a noun, article is used to determine it. So article is one type of determiners. What is article? Article is a word which determines to a noun or nouns. Okay, in this video I have uploaded articles. Articles are divided into two divisions: definite article and indefinite article. The is called definite article. The article which defines, which particularizes a thing is called definite article. Okay, use of the. Article the is used before holy books or scripture. Example, the Veda, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Okay. Before rivers and ocean. Example, the Ganga, the Bay of Bengal, the Mahanadi. Okay. Article D is used before ranks or designation. Example, the President of India, the Prime Minister of India, the CM, the Commissioner, the Chairman, the Principal, the Headmaster, the English teacher, the Postmaster, the Postman, even the Watchman. So article D is used before a rank or designation. Next, article D is used before musical instrument. Example, the cello, the tabla, the behela, the sitar, the harmonium. Okay. Article D is used before the superlative degree of adverb and adjective. Example, all the best, the largest, the smallest. Okay. Next, article D is used before solar bodies. Example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the Mars. Okay. Next, article D is used before historical incidents. Example, the Battle of Panipat, the First World War, the Second World War. Okay. Article D is used before historical monuments. Example, the Taj Mahal, the Indian Gate, the Diwan-i-Am. Okay. Article D is used before big dams or canals. The Indiravati project, the Suez Canal, the Hirakud Dam. Okay. Article, now we will learn how and where articles D is not used or exception of the use of article. Article the is not used before proper noun. The Katak, wrong, only Katak. The Delhi, wrong, only Delhi. Okay? Article the is not used before day, month, season and year. The Sunday, the Monday, wrong, only Sunday, Monday. The January, the December, wrong, only January, December. The 2019, wrong, only 2019. But in referential case, you can use article the to refer a noun. It is the Sunday I spent in Delhi. Okay? Next. Article the is not used before the things are rare in the world. If I say the Chilika, wrong. Only Chilika. Chilika is a beautiful lake. But you should not use the before Chilika. Article the is not used before the institution where the speaker is himself a worker. Suppose I am a student. I am going to the college. Wrong. I am going to college. He is a patient. He is going to the medical. Wrong. He is going to the medical. Wrong. He is going to medical. Now we will discuss where article a and an are used. Very common thing. Article a is used before a noun beginning with a consonant. Example, a book, a pen, a man, a river, a mobile, a cow, a lion. Okay? But article, remember, article A is not used before uncountable noun. A water, wrong, only water. Okay? A sand, wrong, only sand. Then, article an is used before a noun beginning with E, I, O, U. Example, an orange, an eagle, an elephant. But we can use article an before some nouns beginning with a consonant letter. If the noun produces vowel sound, an MP, an SDO, an LP school teacher. Okay, remember, when the noun is used as a rank, the is used. Mr. Sen is an SDO. Here, SDO is a person, but Mr. Sen is the SDO of electrical department. Okay, the SDO. An MP, he is an MP, but he is the MP of our constituency. This way, you should use articles a, an, and the. The students, it is a very instructive video. Students reading in school or colleges are preparing themselves for different competitive examination. If they watch this video, it will help them in their competitive examination. Thanks for watching my video. Your Santosh sir.